Ni hao, welcome to my channel Poojalas Drama. Today I am going to talk about one more Chinese drama, but that's my favorite ongoing Chinese drama right now, and it's named Dashing Youth. It's a wuxia Chinese drama, you can say, full of like about martial arts world, but this drama, the storyline of this drama, the character of this drama, everything is so much amazing. And yeah, this drama is connected to the Chinese drama The Blood of Youth also. Like you can say they both have some connection. Like in Dashing Youth, we are going to see the journey of Bailey Dongjun, and in The Blood of Youth, we are going to see the journey of the descendant and disciple of this generation, Bailey Dongjun's generation. So many things, like the people who already watched The Blood of Youth Chinese drama, we already know what's the ending of the Dashing Youth, but we don't know the journey, the real thing. So that's why we are curious. But yeah, this drama is so much amazing. There is not a single scene that can disappoint you and that you can say this is boring. Not a single scene. That's why this drama is highly recommendable. Okay, let me tell you the storyline of Dashing Youth first, because in Dashing Youth we are going to see the journey of Bailey Dongjun, his brother, friends, his love story, like everything about him, how he will become the best swordsman and best liquor daddy in martial arts world. And he also has some senior in Jinxia Academy. There is one Tenchi city that is the capital of that country, so he will went to that city and he will become the disciple of Master Li Changsheng. He also has some senior, one of them is Shou Rufeng, who is the prince right now. So that his story is going to connect in The Blood of Youth also. So many things is connected with both of them, because you are going to see the journey of Bailey Dongjun, Shou Rufeng, his brother Shou Rojin, and in The Blood of Youth we are going to see the journey of their children, their next generation, because in The Blood of Youth the main lead character is the son of Shou Rujin, who is the prince right now, but he will become the emperor, and who is the brother of Shou Rufeng. Shou Rufeng is the senior of our Bailey Dongjun. So senior brother you can say of Bailey Dongjun. So everything is connected with The Blood of Youth. That's why I told you, if you want, you can watch The Blood of Youth first, because you are going to see some of the characters of The Blood of Youth in Dashing Youth also, and you will be excited. Look, I was very excited when I saw these characters that is similar to The Blood of Youth, because in The Blood of Youth there was not a single scene that was disappointed or boring. That's why I told you, in Dashing Youth also everything is super amazing. I just wanted to watch all the episode at once, but we have to watch 2 episodes a day. That's very disappointed thing. But the fight scenes in this drama are super amazing, like the VFX, the visuals, like everything is amazing. And also there is one thing, you are going to see there is one brother of Bailey Dongjun, that is Ye Dingji. Not brother, you can say sworn brother or friend, childhood friend also, but his family was exiled because of treason. Everyone died in his family. Now he will become a demon, like according to The Blood of Youth he will become a demon, and like he will become enemy in opposite side. So we know what's going to be happen at the end. Bailey Dongjun and Ye Dingji will fight, and because some of reason Ye Dingji will kill himself, and then his son was become a hostess for 12 years. Like so many things going to happen. It's very long story, but there is one thing that is like Bailey Dongjun wants to become a famous because of one girl, because that girl told him, you have to be famous if you want to meet me again, and he falls in love with her at first sight. So that's why he wants to become famous, but he finds some friends, some senior brothers, and his journey is really amazing. So you are going to see everything, because there are so many actors in both of the dramas, so many actors and so many handsome actors. So that's why this drama is really amazing. And The Blood of Youth is also similar to that, because in this drama we are seeing the journey of Bailey Dongjun. In The Blood of Youth we will see the journey of Shosei, who is the son of king, the emperor Shorujin. So Baili Dongjun also in the Blood of Youth, who will help Shoshe in difficult situations. Like, so many things going to be happen. You have to see everything. So it's up to you if you want to see the drama like generation by generation, or if you want to see the Blood of Youth first, then his past generation again. And if you didn't watch any of that drama, then you are missing a masterpiece. You have to watch these dramas definitely. It's highly recommendable. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click on subscribe button, and if you love to watch my videos, don't forget to click on like button also. And yeah, you can watch this drama on Youku app and Youku app channel also. So just go and watch right now. Thank you so much for watching my video till now. Bye bye.